Hi everyone. I ordered my metric screws through bellmetric.com. Locally, they're really hard to find or they're really expensive. This is the best place I could find online. They were really good to me. They shipped them out the same day. They're reasonably priced. They look really nice. They come in these nice Ziploc bags. These are impossible to find locally. M5 by 90. I ordered one extra of everything. And here's my invoice. So they only ran me $14.37. And there may be a few more I need to get yet. The quality is really nice. Thanks for watching.